Baby, c'est agouillé.
Baby, stop. Stop it.
Oh, oh. Bye.
Oh my god.
Oh, oh. Jésus.
Still doing it?
Yes.
Oh my, what's going on? Is he dreaming?
Non, même si c'est Michi t'a fait. Michi pas qu'à faire. Ou pas qu'à de Michi faire. C'est pas à la fin.
Oh my
Non.
god, baby. What's going on? Fix him.
Soulève, il va prendre. Et moi, dormi.
Oh my god.
Mes amis. Piquette encore, oui.
Oui. Done.
He's only 1.5. Actually, not even 1.5 yet. 1 and 5 months old. So 15 months old. The guy's twerking like, what the hell? You're probably having a dream.
I know. He probably think he's playing on his thing. Oh no.
No, but what kind of dream is this?
Fix him.
I'm gonna fix him. But he might wake up though. I'm scared to fix him.
It's okay. But he never does that when he's on the bed with us. Or probably with sleeping. Wait.
I think he gave up. I'm leaving. He gave up.